like this. I just want to take that into consideration. Substance fines and costs. I'm confident that it's going to be a good probation for.
The sovereign citizen.
I got the file right here. Oh, I just circled the wrong one.
Yeah.
Yeah, it should be 7411. Good morning, gentlemen.
Or that's tax day, Your Honor, April 15th.
Mr. Markham.
Their birthday is on tax day.
Yeah, so the poor kids are doubly cursed. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Markham.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mark, how can you say, am I right? Good morning.
Good morning. You fellas had a chance to go over the recommendation?
We did, Your Honor.
Report factually accurate?
It is.
What do you want to tell me?
Judge, I just want to tell you that this young man and his father's here with him today. He's taking this very seriously. Doesn't have a drink or smoke anything.
Good.
He has a good job, but unfortunately he just got laid off. He's a painter. He works hard. I think he's going to pick something up.
Okay. Okay. Have you had the conversation with him about the 0.26?
I did.
I don't have to have that conversation.
No, I think he certainly understands that.
Right.
That's something.
All right, Mr. Markham, don't feel that you have to, but is there anything you want to tell me?
Okay.
There's no magic answer. I just want to give you a chance to talk if you get something off your chest. All right, Mr. Hayter misspoke on one thing though, because he said you haven't smoked or drank since this happened. Say it again?
The 23rd of April, right before I met with Mr. Rosen.
Okay, which was after I ordered you not to smoke or drink as part of your bond.
Before, I thought I was before, my mistake.
Yeah, but it's a big mistake because it's a hard spot to start probation in. All right. No, I knew you weren't lying to me, counsel. All right, so I'm going to adopt the recommendations. I'm going to put you on for 12 months. Everything you went over, Mr. Hayter, I'm adopting in full. So that means 1 through 10 were court recommendations, now they're court orders. That includes 10 days on our court work program. You pick the days. Fines and costs, $1,400. I'll send you downstairs to talk payment options there. Of the 10 things I've just ordered you to do, the least important to me is the money. That one I can work with you until the cows come home. The other stuff, that's the important stuff. Clear? Any questions? Good luck on the job, huh? Where do you live? You a local guy? Before you leave the building, go down to the front counter. Well, you got to go down there to schedule your work days anyhow. So make sure you ask Mr. Taylor if he's got any job opportunities you should look into, because he keeps a list of everybody in our area, businesses in our area that are hiring. All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Are we ready on Ira Jones? Good morning, counsel.
Morning, I apologize for being late. Spencer Clay is here on the
Good morning.
And good morning, Your Honor. Jacob Leckie appearing on behalf of the people, P88400.
Thank you. You know what, counsel, I apologize. I should have done this. Mr. Leckie, I'm going to let him read the letter that I got yesterday that prompted us to call you.
Understood.
Take a minute to read that. Based on what I saw in that letter that I just saw yesterday, Heather contacted Mr. Leckie and say, look, it looks like maybe the conversation you had with the complainant was under duress. So I wanted Mr. Leckie to have a chance to be on board for the sentencing. And I want you to know what I'm looking at that prompted the phone call. Does that make sense? It was kind of wordy. So look at the letter and then we'll talk again. Feduro? Miss Feduro, which case are you here on? You're muted.
Nico Harrell.
𝘾𝙤𝙪𝙧𝙾𝙐 versus state of Michigan. Well, the state of Michigan, sorry.
I got you.
I'm a victim.
Spell the last name for me.
𝙤𝙪𝙬𝙬.
Terrell. Okay, he's a show cause. I don't know that he's here, so we'll just label you accordingly and keep you where you're at for a while.
Okay, I would like to speak if given the chance.
Yeah, we can do that.
Okay, thank you.
Are we ready on Wade?
Yes. Johnson first because we can get the victims.
Yeah, I'll do that one next. Thank you. Miss Knapp.
Good morning, Your Honor. Well, we're ready to go on next, Your Honor. My client, Leslie Knapp, 34696, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Demetrius Wade. State your name.
Demetrius Wade.
Thank you.
Plead guilty with explanation. We know that he did complete work programs since they first happened. He has dealt with both the issues of arresting and criminal courts, and he is prepared to start paying back on his payment plan 2 weeks from tomorrow. He had lost his job, but he earns a new job tomorrow morning.
Where are you working tomorrow? Say again?
What
What do they do? Okay, so you can make a payment 2 weeks from today, tomorrow, so that would be the 10th. How much can you pay? 300. What are you going to do after that?
Stick to into the regular payment fund.
How much? How often? Every month?
He's gonna have to have some extension on the original plan.
Yeah. Or make a bunch of extra payments. Yeah. I'm okay either way. All right, so he was sentenced on a delayed sentence September 3rd, right? 2025. All right, let's see what we got. Yeah, so the big thing was his outstanding files in other courts and restitution payments, correct, Mr. Rowley?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so he's taking care of his outstanding matters in Westland and Plymouth. No outstanding cases anywhere else, no warrants out. And the $300 will get you started on track for restitution. Put him back on?
Yes.
All right. Okay, anything else? All right, good luck. Communicate. If you're having problems, let her know. All right, good luck. Can we handle William Johnson's file?
Yes. Good morning, Your Honor. Leslie Knapp, 34696, appearing on behalf of the defendant, Johnson. Your Honor, I understand the complainant is.
She is.
Don't know why I thought her guess.
All right, ma'am, state your name very loudly. Payne? Pin, like P-I-N? Pat. Got it. Small. Yeah. All right. So what would you like me to know today?
Last time, and it was said that she didn't have anything to do with this. I had a feeling he wasn't gonna take it serious. That's why I wanted you to have something to do with this. So we just put this behind me. I don't want to talk to him. I don't want to deal with him. He said something to me downstairs. The security guards are aware of that. I'm just ready for this to move forward.
All right. Okay. So what are we going to do about restitution? Does he want to revisit the restitution?
Like to revisit it, but I explained to him that would involve withdrawing his plea, going forward again.
Well, hold on. Maybe not, because that's up to the prosecutor. Because I don't know what was in the prosecutor's head. I just know what came in on paper. Right.
My case.
Right.
All I know is that Mr. Johnson is adamant that the complainant told him that her insurance paid for the stuff. So she is not in fact out $1,000. And he feels that she should not make a profit.
Okay.
This would be-
And I understand that mindset, but then he shouldn't get the benefit of the bargain. He agreed to pay $1,000 to get a reduction in the charge. So I don't know that the prosecutor is going to say, well, if the $1,000 is off the table, so is the reduced charge. I don't know, because I'm not the prosecutor. Understood. Right. I'm perfectly okay with bringing you back on a Tuesday, so the prosecutor that made the deal can, and I'll even give the prosecutor a heads up ahead of time so he can reach out to Ms. Petty beforehand, and hopefully we can wrap it up in one day, whatever we do.
Yeah.
All right. So you just contact Kaplan before this court date and let him know he might want to reach out to her. So make sure we've got a good phone number for her so we can pass it on to Mr. Kaplan, please. Ms. Petty, you understand all that? Any questions?
No, it's not question, but besides the fact that the reason that the $1,000 is indicated, because it was $1,000 deductible in order for this fee to take place.
Right. The reason it's in the case for me is because it came in as part of the plea agreement. And that's all I got to know to say I can't do it today. I got to have the other party. That's the prosecution. Okay. Hopefully we can do this without you coming back to court though. So you want to pick a date? We're just going to pick a Tuesday that we can get Kaplan. So our next Kaplan day, I suppose.
Kaplan Day would be July 21. And then in person. Is this to remove this?
To make an argument on restitution.
Okay.
Yep. What time you want to do it?
We can do 10 a.m. I'm sorry, 10?
10.
You got be here in person at 1 o'clock. Okay. Thank you, Your Honor. Let me get him a notice.
All right, so we'll reach out to Mr. Kaplan to give him a heads up. So if he needs to have contact with Ms. Petty before that date, he's got the option. All right, just have a seat till we get you a notice.
The Sovereign Citizen.